Hello, and welcome to the first ever episode of Crazy Caucasian Cooking. And today is sorry to say, a non-police personnel video only. So unfortunately, if you are involved in the police or anything of the sort, please click off the video now. I'll wait. Alright, so today we'll be doing a steak. We have a wonderful prime cap sirloin steak to cook today. So let's get right into it. You get your steak removed from packaging. You don't need that anymore. You just toss it in the trash. No big deal. Make sure you wash your hands. You want to really stay clean during your cooking. You know, get a paper towel or something. Wash your hands off, and now we're ready to go. So we're gonna use our shown before seasonings, and we're really just gonna, sprinkle this stuff on here. Be as generous as you want. Personally, I like a little bit, but not too much. Maybe a little bit less paprika. Paprika is a stronger flavor. No. It's not open. We know we're all human. Got these pliers here. We're all human. Cooking's fun. Fuck! Pepper. It's not open. Pepper. Salt next. And you just want to spread it out a little bit. It didn't get a very good coating, but we're gonna get the next side here. We're gonna get both sides seasoned. And here we go. We don't do that. All right, so you're gonna let this sit for a few minutes with the seasonings on it, and I'll see you on the grill. Back, we're here at the grill, nice and hot. Just want to have a nice hot grill. Ooh, that's nice and hot. So I clean it off a little bit. I don't want to put on a dirty grill or anything. That's what you want. That's what you want. You want that flame on there. It really adds to the flavor. However, it's also kind of dangerous. See, turn on the burner off. You don't need that. Nice and clean. And now, just gonna lay the steak on and let it cook. Close the lid, insulate that heat, and you want to do like 3 to 4 minutes per side. So we're gonna let that sit for a little bit. About 3 minutes here, folks. So we're gonna give her a flip. Check that other side. Yeah, nice good for a flip. Gets a little stuck on there. We're gonna give her a flip here. Yeah, there we go. We're ready to 4 minutes, and we'll see where we're at after that. 2 minutes here. I think we're ready to take this steak off here. Looking nice. Feels nice. It tastes nice. You know what? We're taking it off. On the plate. Looking nice and tasty. So for a few minutes, before we cut it open, you're going to want to let it give a few minutes to rest because it's still cooking. The heat inside the steak is still going through it. And you want to make sure that you give it a few minutes just to finish up, cool off. Not cool off, but, done being cooking. And then I'll see you in a few minutes, and we'll cut this bad boy opening. Maybe give it a try. Done. We're gonna cut into it. Nice and cut into. And it's a good medium, I'd say. Maybe a little bit more, but I'm not picky with my steak. Well, time to eat, guys, and I hope you enjoy your steak too. Boy, guys, was that a great steak? A little bit of scraps left, but what can I say? It was a big steak. I don't have a very big family. Alright guys, have a great one, and I will see you in the next video. Okay, cut it. Time for food, little baby.
Food? Food? Please, can I have some? It's been 3 days. Please. No. No, please. Please.
Give you a haircut. Give you a haircut. Give you food. Bathroom. It's practically a hotel. Ready to move the wine, eat the steak.
No. Please.
Good dog. What do you say?
Thank you, Mr. Hacker.
Yes, dog.